The forecast says Ottawa is going to experience a severe weather this week. I just can't help but feel like I need to go to school. So the plan is I'm going to watch the bus. Once it's like 1 minute away from my house, I'm going to run out, enter the bus, stay there. Once I get to school, run out of the bus, enter the lab and stay in the lab the entire day without stepping out. Yeah, I think I'm feeling like this because the last time I went to the lab, I was working on, I used a 3D printer. Yes! I wanted to 3D print a spine, but I thought I had the spine or G-code file, but I had something else. So I printed that particular object, which looked so good. So now, after I was done 3D printing, I needed to remove the object from the plate, but it got stuck because it was still very hot. So I let it go and I left the lab. So I need to go back to the lab to remove the object from the plate because it's like once it's cooler, then you can easily remove. That's kind of like the analogy. So I need to go there to remove the object. Once I'm done removing the object, I would try and figure out the exact spine I want to print out. Then I would print it out. Yeah. I think this is the best thing I have seen in a long time. Oh my god, it looks so adorable.